Yes, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Chasing Trophies. And after 1 year, the skipper of the ship, Surya Kumar Yadav, is finally back in form. An incredible innings, 82 of 37. Just when India needed him to get his form back before the World Cup, he's gotten it. Let me remind you the situation. India lost two early wickets in the power play, and things were looking a bit bleak in chase of 200. But the captain locked in today. Incredible shots. He was playing that famous Surya flick over the fine leg. He was playing on the offside, straight down the ground. With me is my co-host Fez. Fez, finally, all the questions have been slowly, they're going to be answered now. But so what the impact? एक innings के बाद, you understand that why this guy is the captain and why he's in the T20 team.
Yeah, बिल्कुल. I mean, shots दिख रहे finally. The selection of the shots, the delivery को finally he's not just going for the supla. एक ही shot मारने जा रही. He's trying to read the situation. He's not getting hesitant. Credit obviously Ishan Kishan gave him that platform to sort of get settled in, understand the conditions. जैसा आप mention कर रहे थे, batting wicket अच्छी थी. The deck was a little bit flat. Then more than flat than what was saying, but still it takes effort to hit an 82 runs from where he started. Mustafa bhai, it didn't look the greatest start, right? Like tuk kara tha, Surya kya kara Surya. But sometimes you need these kind of innings. जब हम Jaiswal को भी देखे थे when he was coming back, धीरे धीरे 100 बनाया with Virat Kohli. That innings in the ODI, he made 100 because that was what I expected of him, and then he got to that 100. So sometimes you need these kind of innings to sort of succumb the pressure, take it under your stride, and then hello, belt out whatever is perfect. And then the way he made back for the deliveries that he initially defended, and you could see the strike rate also was apt at the end of the day. So I mean, brilliant from him. We're expecting more consistency, and we need this from the captain to lead from the front. If he's confident, then that gives the side confidence 100%.
बेस्ट चीज ये है कि लाइक आपको समझ में आ जाता है एक ही इनिंग में ये बंदा क्यों है कैप्टन और क्यों है अपने टीम में और क्यों उसको इतनी बैकिंग क्यों मिली. बिकॉज इफ यू सी दैट होल ईयर मैन वी सॉ द रन्स एंड नंबर देयर वाज नथिंग, देयर वाज नॉट इवन अ 50. It was a very very dry spell. It was like the Arabian desert, no runs at all. But एक inning, I know that is just one innings, but the impact of the innings, the way he played, I know towards the end they started dropping catches, New Zealand, but the way he played the innings, like you said, he was still struggling, but then the conversion and the immediate acceleration shows the level that he can reach to. Again, if he has, first we also have to understand we live in a very highly critical world. अगर वो बंदा highest run scorer है, right, मगर इंडिया सेमीफाइनल फाइनल हारती है, do you think he'll still be praised? No one will care about his runs. So that is the problem world we live in. So because he's the captain of India, he has the most difficult job. We've been doing content for a long time now that nobody is satisfied with anything. Like एक दिन आप सूर्या को डिफेंड करेंगे, फिर जाके कोई और अर्शदीप को क्रिटिसाइज करेंगे, कुलदीप को आप डिफेंड करेंगे, कोई और जाके हार्दिक को क्रिटिसाइज करेंगे. You never could be satisfied with all the players. But at least he's shown the impact that he's given and why he's been back and why he's the captain. Also, I just wanted to ask you, will this innings, obviously, in the press conferences you say one thing, but in the back of the mind, in the dressing room, you feel a different thing. Will this innings allow him to be a bit more free also in the dressing room and players, because you saw all the players were really clapping, they're very happy for him, so will it allow him to be a more freer captain?
Yeah, I think like you're right. When he was Surya Kumar Yadav in the press conference, thoda bahut it comes off annoying to a lot of people, right? Like, अरे भाई उन्हें कुछ भी बोल देता. He looks unnecessarily confident. He looks unnecessary, but that's something sometimes when you sort of आप अपने माइंड को बेवकूफ बनाते कि भाई तुम अच्छे तुम फिक्र मत करो. That sort of helps you. Surya Kumar, but like you said, it was playing in the back of the mind because आप उसका celebration आप देखो. Sigh of relief. It was a sigh of relief when he got to that 50. It just felt like, bhai, itna burden mere saath. And also we forget IPL mein he hit 600 runs, man. He hit 500 plus, if not 600, maybe 500 plus, 530 plus runs he's hit in the IPL. So it wasn't that bad of a 2025 for the bat for him. Yes, from Indian jersey perspective, very poor, very poor shot selection. And again, it was cut copy paste supla, cut copy paste, trying to hit the ball very early before it came onto the bat. Asia Cup mein Salman Aga catching him in the final, all of these things. So definitely you try to pose of confidence because you are the captain of India, but it plays in your mind, and you saw that in his celebration. And we're all happy for him. It's not just like because we know, it's like something like with Akira, we know that this guy has the potential, but he's not fulfilling it. And there is no more complete player than Surya Kumar Yadav in T20 cricket right now, with the range of shots that he brings, with the maturity. And bhai, not only like India, IPL also we have to bring into this n number of times for Mumbai Indians, bailing them out in situation where it was done and dusted, right? So that is the kind of player जो Surya Kumar Yadav, Surya Kumar से confidence आना है, and very less time you feel like you have to give him confidence. And I think this patch for him was good, that he understood that, bhai, this is my importance, this is my responsibility in this team, and I have to live up to it. Credit again to, obviously because him being the captain, probably it helped him a bit, but backing हो रही है, maybe internally they were still a little bit, gave him that breathing spot कि भाई कोई बात नहीं, आएगा तुम्हारा वक्त आएगा. Maybe they gave him that backing as well, the coaching staff and everybody. So we'll have to credit them as well. But yes, definitely it was playing in his mind that भाई runs नहीं आ रहे, अभिषेक हार्दिक पे लोड आ रहा है, साथ ही साथ तिलक इंजर हो गया, अक्षर पटेल आज इंजर हो गया, कल इंजर हो गया. So he had to step up to the plate. 32 in the last game, 80 odd in this game. Yeah, 100%, a very huge sigh of relief, not for just him, but for the entire country, I think.
And also, I think I completely agree with you. They've identified that, this is our T20 player. जब उन्हें फॉर्म में भी नहीं है, उसको बैक करना. Because आप देख लो, when Shubman Gill got dropped, all the attention shifted on Surya Kumar Yadav, and people are saying take him out of captaincy. We heard a lot of people say Hardik को बनाओ captain चलिए इसको. I think I also said that if he's not going to get runs and Shubman Gill gets runs in the Asia Cup, you might even see a switch. But Shubman also didn't get runs at that time, and you saw him go out of the thing. So obviously we have to credit the BCCI over there. Going forward, are you also happy that he's batting at number 4, because he is a number 3 batsman, number 3-4 batsman. He was shuffling up and down, but you're happy for him to come every match at number 4 for India in the World Cup.
I mean, I guess I'm happy for him to come where he's most comfortable. By at the end of the day, let him come where he's comfortable. Now with India, I noticed like अगर अभिषेक जाता है तो ईशान आएगा, अगर संजू जा like left hand के ऊपर था, but आज नहीं करे वो चीज. आज ईशान किशन आ गया था, अभिषेक was still there, though Abhishek left in the next delivery. But this thing, the batsman has to let them know, him being the captain, he can take that additional freedom of expressing where he wants to bat. And if it is number 4, then so be it. I don't know like how he feels about it, but yeah, I think number 4, he's a little bit more settled, power play and all of these things. He's getting time to sort of adjust to the conditions and stuff. And today again, we have to understand that the pitch was a bit better to bat on, so that also helps at times. When you're not getting runs, you get some kind of a wicket. एक वो अच्छा एग्जाम आ जाता आपका, जो हर क्वेश्चन आप पढ़े वो आ गया, वो वाली बात आ गई, and then आपको वहां से confidence booster आ गया. So I think for Surya, wherever he's comfortable on the day, maybe he takes a call उसके gut के, but again they'll have to decide a lineup कि भाई 3-4 अब वो लेफ्ट राइट करते हैं नहीं करते हैं. In the World Cup is secondary, but today he looked very well. And again a word from you on Ishan Kishan's inning and the importance of his innings to get Surya confidence. That also will that shouldn't be unnoticed, because Ishan was batting at a rate where 2 wickets are. I know we'll come off as biased, but just that momentum didn't drop. If it dropped, the run rate would have skyrocketed.
Yeah, I mean, agar aap, from the situation, Ishan Kishan was outstanding because he's the one who released the pressure of Surya Kumar Yadav. Jab Surya time le raha tha, he was like 3 of 6, 6 of 10. वो time पे Ishan already 20 run पहुंच गया था 8 ball में. So he was releasing pressure. I think that flick shot that he plays, I always love that. The cut shot as well. Ishan Kishan is a type of player he's just bang from ball 1, and this kind of formula helps him. And now the fact that India is also playing like this, it'll get the best out of him. But if you look at his innings in isolation, it was outstanding. It was lovely to watch. I too enjoyed it. मेरे को बहुत पसंद वो player. It was an incredible innings. The question comes now. I'm sorry, I'm counter questioning the thing. The question comes now: if Tilak Verma is fit for the World Cup, what does the batting order? Does he come in at 3? Does Ishan get benched? Because I'll tell you honestly, if you don't, then you can give your answer. My thing is that अगर तिलक वर्मा fit नहीं है, even 80% फिट है, तो फिर आप उसको मत खिलाओ, आप ईशान के साथ ही चलो. अगर तिलक वर्मा 100% फिट है, आप ईशान किशन को बेंच करो एंड तिलक को खिलाओ. बिकॉज ईशान किशन एक इनिंग खेला. आपको याद है सनराइजर्स के लिए भी ईशान किशन पहले मैच में 100 मारा, उसके बाद वॉक, जब नॉट आउट भी आउट हो जा रहा था, आपको याद है वो अच्छे तरीके से. And but because I don't want that unnecessary pressure on him, because he's batting amazing right now. But imagine World Cup में एक दो अच्छी इनिंग नहीं आती, then he gets dropped, and then Tilak comes in. I think you back with the formula that you've gone with, and then you see अगर Samson या Tilak को कुछ होता है, फिर आप ईशान को लेके आओ.
हाँ भाई, I think वही है कि don't do another Shubman Gill, right? It's like that. Don't bring someone in the rhythm that was happening. And we love Ishan Kishan. We would love to see him in 11. I think we both are of the same mindset. But as we speak, we know the 1 year that has gone and the contribution from Tilak Verma in the middle order in South Africa, in the Asia Cup, in the final of the Asia Cup. So you have to also understand, if they do bring Tilak back, that is probably the right choice. Simultaneously with Sanju Samson, I will be a bit more patient as well. because we like for him PS Oncho के संजू के लिए एकदम से रोड रैश में कोई आपको लात मार के गिरा देते वैसे ही वाली बात हुई कि आप गिल को लेके आए और उसको पोजीशन से हकाल दिया. नाउ यू हैव टू गिव हिम दैट टाइम टू गेट बैक हिज सिक्योरिटी. माय इनसिक्योरिटी होती भाई किसको भी कले. अब एवरी पासिंग टाइड और एवरी पासिंग मैच संजू विल प्रोबब्ली बी अ लिटिल इनसिक्योर, राइट, कि अब किसको लेके आते. जयसवाल के चर्चे शुरू हो गए हैं प्रीटी श्योर, राइट. सो दे विल हैव टू बैक हिम लाइक दैट एज वेल. And I mean, Sanju, दो भी shots as a class खेला first to we drop over. It's the class. It's just like very annoying to even like, when you back him, it's annoying. Arey bhai, you have such class in you, but just you're not able to. But I have a feeling he'll get 100. But yes, I agree, and I like in totality, like Ishan Kishan, despite the performances, like if Tilak comes back fully fit. Fully fit is the
fully fit. Otherwise, you play Ishan Kishan. And I think today also we got the answer that Abhishek नहीं run मारा तो कौन मारेगा, सूर्या मारेगा. And we have the batting. You see, Shivam Dube भी आके बहुत अच्छी इनिंग खेला आज भी.
वो भी एक अच्छा point raise कर सब आया आपके spinners आके counter करा. That's his speciality, Apart from the haircut, I'm not a fan of it, but I would say that he did very well against the spinner, bhai, and the pacers as well. Like incredible, Maharaj.
Yeah. See, the reason why I'm not commenting on the haircut at all is because I had the same haircut on as a kid, like same exact. And my mother used to brush it.
Even I used to have that side mark. Like that's what it took everybody in the 90s.
I have no problem with the haircut, and I cannot comment on it because I had the same one. If I make fun of him, I'm making fun of myself. But I think that with Shivam Dube, I don't know, it's very weird, right? हम लोग पहले भी गुस्से में थे इसको क्यों लिए रिंकू को नहीं लिए, but he does the job, man. He's doing the Asia Cup final we faced. He came and bowled that power play spell which was crucial when Hardik Pandya was injured. In the 24 World Cup, he used to hit 2 sixes a game. Did the job and go. 100%. He's doing the job. Like, I mean, he's not a superstar all-rounder, but he's doing the job right now. And मैं उसका greatest fan नहीं हूँ, but हाँ.
That is the thing ना, अपन 24 में भी बोलते यही चीज बोलेंगे. रोहित शर्मा has said one man show नहीं होना मेरे को. 30-35 दो मेरे को, बस है मेरे को. 6 लोग 30 दो.
अगर ये पब्लिक नहीं समझती, अगर आप देखो अब ये शिवम दुबे की इनिंग्स आप कोई याद नहीं रखेगा बिकॉज़ 30 रन 15 बॉल में मैच जिता दिए थे, ये वो नहीं रखेंगे याद. यही तो प्रॉब्लम है ना. अगर अब संजू नेक्स्ट गेम में फॉर एग्जांपल 100 मार देगा, वो याद रखेंगे, बट देन ही विल गेट आउट 20 of 8. वो बोलेंगे ये क्या है, नीड्स टू बिल्ड. वी डोंट नीड टू रियली बिल्ड इन T20 cricket.
Yeah, 100%. That's what it is. Like, I spot on है. We just have to be patient. I think we're very patient, very कैसे बोलते हमारे हिसाब से पेशेंस देखते कि ये प्लेयर को देना, ये प्लेयर को देना. But I think totality में on over view में we have to be a little bit more. And 2020 cricket again, it's a very fast evolving game and people understand each other's thing. And like we mentioned, like Tilak को भी we have to call him back. अगर fit होता है, अगर नहीं होता तो निशान is there, so that's not a thing. There was also rumors saying, rumors का noise from the crowd कि भाई श्रेयस को भी मौका दो. So like there are a lot of people in the waiting ranks, so that also applies pressure from the outside. So we have to probably be a bit more patient at times. And अब संजू के लिए we're just hoping and praying that he gets back to his momentum, and then the World Cup team finally is settled in like a whole regard.
Yeah, 100%, man. I think, again, the T20 team looks solid right now. The good thing is that with this new template, you're being able to chase 200 so quickly. 5 over to spare के साथ आप जीत गए आराम से. So it's looking good. But at the end of the day, the World Cup is going to be different. There's going to be high pressure. But if India play like this, right, even if they get knocked out in the semi-final, final, but they play this kind of cricket like they did in the 23, you'll feel bad, but I'll accept it. It's like, I think right now they got to play cricket like this, like they are since 24. In 21, 22, the cricket style was not good enough. Now the cricket style is good enough. It's just about getting those key moments right, which sometimes won't happen. We'll accept it. But yeah, that pretty much wraps it up. Thank you to Faiz and thank you to the audience. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button. Please comment on the channel as well. We really appreciate it. Take care, everybody, and good evening.
Thank you, bye, look. Thank you for watching, and yes, please subscribe. Bye bye.